Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over what a recession would mean for Lego investing and Lego in general. So as we've seen, Lego's just kind of been increasing their prices for pretty much everything almost constantly. There hasn't really been many times where Lego has decreased their prices significantly. We've seen this recently with battle packs going up to $20 for a 4 minifigure battle pack. And this is likely going to continue. There seems to still be plenty of demand for Lego sets in general. And I doubt that a recession would cause Lego to decrease prices. They didn't really do that in 2008 or anything. And I think that the opposite will probably happen, that Lego will continue to increase their prices because there's still a lot of demand for Lego and it'll end up doing pretty well. So I'm going to be keeping all these sets. A possible recession doesn't really worry me too much when it comes to Lego investing. But it is certainly possible that as a Lego investing, if there were to be a recession, that it could impact your profits, but it will eventually end and you can always just keep your sets until whenever the recession is done. But I do think that there's still going to be plenty of demand to have you be able to sell your sets and make plenty of profit. Thank you.